Okay, step one. Make sure you have a good battery. Pikachu is one of the working batteries. Charge it before calling. Gemini is a great battery. This is how you charge them.
I'm more useful than he is.
Okay, so take one of these, attach it here, and just plug it in. Red to red, black to black. Okay, as you can see, it's charging because it's a red light. Just in case I didn't really explain this to you earlier, we have a few subsystems to this robot. We have the climber, the arm, the servo for depositing the marker, and our electronic system. Okay, so there is a Velcro backing on the battery. All you gotta do to attach the battery to the robot, put on the Velcro and plug it in red to red, black to black to this guy, which goes directly into the expansion hub. To turn on the robot, just flip the on switch, which is here.
Just flip the on switch.
Yes, exactly. It'll glow blue. If you want the robot to work, you'll have to plug in the phone, so I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, this is how to set up the driver station phone. You know it's the driver station phone because it says 13981DS. To unlock the phone, you type in 13981 for the passcode.
Yeah, and it was diverging because it was like he was half or something. Yeah, but you had to use the side of the DCT that helped you.
Go to the FTC driver station app and plug in the controller. To turn the controller on or to calibrate it with the phone, press A, start at the same time.
I think I got it wrong. I got Infinity.
On the group chat.
When both of the phones are on, they automatically connect. As you can see here, it says that it's connected. And on the other phone, it's also connected. It's very reflective, so you can't see. But basically, the battery's very low on this, but I'm going to unplug it. And I'm going to connect it to the robot. To connect the phone to the robot, simply plug it in. Take the white cord and plug it into there. Place the phone into the phone holder and turn the damn thing on.
Turn the damn thing on.
Turn the infinity or infinity. You multiply that by one of these.
The thing on the phone should show that it's green and that it has a certain amount of volts above 12. If it's above 12, then you're fine.
You want me to take one off the robot? Because we can do that.
Touch this triangle on the right to put it into teleop mode. Touch base teleop, tap init, and tap start. When you tap start, that starts the teleop mode. And you can control the robot using the remote.
This is legitimately
Controlling the robot. Okay, so here are the controls. Both of these forward is forward. I don't want to do it on the table. Both of these back are back. Then just play around with it and figure it out. I don't care. Okay, now to control the arm, to make it go forward, you press the left trigger here, yeah. To make it go back in, it's the right. Don't make it go too far, because it won't work like that. Basically, to make the arm work, it needs to have tension because it's too heavy. So I attach this to the bottom of the robot. I'll show you exactly where in a second. Basically, this goes up and over and connects to that hole on the arm, the very top hole, right here. This is where the bottom of the cord goes. It's right here.
Okay, if like a random square
And it attaches up here. To make the arm move up and down, use the triggers.
Oh, is this the chain? How are the chains here?
To move the climber up and down, use these buttons, the D-pad. Don't make it go too high up though. Just high enough to reach the lander. Okay, to move this, go like this with X and Y. X moves it down, Y moves it back up. Wow, okay, it works. Okay, now, how to do autonomous. Press the left triangle and select Crater or Depot. Don't ever touch the other ones because it'll blow up in your face. Press Crater if it's on the crater side, Depot if it's on the depot side. It's not really going to blow up, don't worry. Okay, so I'm selecting Crater. Don't ever init it or press init when, well, you're not even on the field yet. So I'm going to go on the field and we're going to try this out. Okay, press init, and then press start. And it might work. Oh my god, it works. And all it does is it goes forward, and if it's depot, then it moves its servo to deposit the marker. Okay, now what you probably came to this video looking for, troubleshooting. So basically the arm is the most problematic part of the robot since I made it, and there's a lot of bad things about it. Basically, if it doesn't lift anything and it's not doing anything, then it's probably something wrong with this. Okay, so it connects to here with these screws, and it's also tightened here, basically to make it really tight. It lines up with that flat part of the motor right there, and that's how it makes it so it's connected well. And if it doesn't work still, then ask us. Just take it off from its resting position, and take the cord, and it goes right there on the top of the arm. Something important to note is that you shouldn't extend this too far or try extending it a lot when it's already down, because one, it might fall off, and two, it might get stuck on the bottom of the robot, and that tends to be a problem because then the arm can't even lift itself up. So just try to avoid that. Also, because it's on a rack and pinion, it's prone to fall off of itself. Watch out for the servos here, because these claw pieces can come off fairly easily. So try to tighten the screws as much as you can without damaging the screws themselves. And also tighten this claw piece itself, because it gets very wobbly at times and I don't feel like tightening it right now. So that is basically all the troubleshooting, but there's one more thing. It has to do with the phone wire. Make sure this doesn't get unplugged during competition, because then the phone won't connect to the other phone and things will be bad. And make sure you have a charged battery. So that's all for now.